s'amuse, on travaille et généralement le résultat il fait vraiment plaisir.
Pour ceux qui veulent vraiment apprendre en plus, c'est vraiment très intéressant.
De ouf, genre totalement, c'est génial.
My name is Alia. I work as an art director. I am from Cairo.
I'm Alia. I'm an animator and illustrator.
I studied at Faculty of Fine Arts. Met Alia at college and we are friends since then and we always work together. This is our second workshop at TUMO.
Last July we went to Yerevan. They reached out, TUMO reached out for us and it was such a fulfilling experience, so we wanted to do this experience again, so this is why we came to TUMO Paris this time.
Dans ce Masterlab, on crée un GIF avec toute la salle.
En gros, le principe c'est qu'on on est par binôme et tous les binômes font une animation de 1 seconde, donc de 24 images. Et après, en fait, on va prendre toutes les petites animations pour les coller et faire un GIF en commun.
So we introduced them to the theme, which is screen time. I think all of us are stuck to our phones all the time, so
we wanted it to be a relatable theme to teenagers. So we thought about something globally everyone will connect to. The main purpose from the workshop is to let the kids know how to work in teams, like in an animation studio.
We started the first day by introducing them to the basics of animation, then illustration. Also, some of the kids didn't have any prior knowledge, so we worked with the programs as well, the interface, getting them familiar. Some of the kids didn't know how to use a graphic tablet as well, so we introduced them to this.
The kids here are really talented. We were surprised. A lot of them didn't animate before, but they really got things really quickly.
We weren't sure because it's a short workshop. We were going to do something simpler, and with the kids, we decided no, we're going to pick it up a notch and add some more animation and some more dynamic stuff for them.
They are really passionate and they are really consistent. They come every day and we see a lot of passion in them, so we are really excited about that.
Yes. I think they're excited about the final project as well.
Franchement, c'est génial, on rencontre des gens.
C'est pas mal pour vraiment progresser, surtout vraiment parler avec des intervenants et tout.
Le fait de faire quelque chose pour la première fois et juste de dire on y va, c'est pas grave si c'est mauvais, on y va tout de même, on le fait. Pour qu'au final ce soit quelque chose qui soit satisfait, c'est quelque chose.
On apprend beaucoup plus de choses aussi, donc oui, je conseille.